Hi everyone, this is Sarah, your swing instructor. Today in this video we are going to make a mask pattern. So you can trace your surgical mask pattern and also you can put the nose pin, and even you can make it without elastic. So all these things, if you want to learn, just keep subscribe my channel and see. I'm going to first measure this is 6 inches is length and 6 inches is length of your mask. After that I'm taking width, that is 6.5 inches here. So that means I need a rectangle, so that should be 6 inches lengthwise and 6.5 inches widthwise. So let's start. I'm just marking a rough line here to make edges equal. So this is 6 inches. After that you need here, I'm just marking here a straight line to make it equal, and this is 6 inches line. Now from here to here I am going to mark 6.5 inches. So 6.5 inches here, and please subscribe my channel for new patterns. In this pattern making series you will learn a lot of new patterns. So here it is 6 again, and just make a straight line. So this is what I need for the mask, and in this box I will mark for the pleats. So first I have to make, so you see this is 6 inches, 6.5 inches, and now I am going to cut this. I am cutting it with my fabric scissor because this is the stiffing part. Now just cut it. For new videos of pattern making from baby frock to every dress, just subscribe my channel SaliqaMag, so you can see more videos every time you get notification for the new video. And if you have any question, just ask me in comment section. So here this box is ready. Now I'm going to mark the see, first I have to fold it in the middle part, means from middle I have to fold it, and here I will mark. So from here my marking should be start for the pleats. So let's see how we will make the marking for the pleats. Now I am going to mark the half inches, 3 pleats. You see, 3 pleats I needed. Each plate is of half inches. So from here to here half inch. I will mark half inch for the one plate. And then you see my baby's hand. She's keep asking me what you are doing, mama. So anyways, just mark half inch, and also down half inch. And so means total 5 markings you need, in which you will make the 3 plates. I will show you how you have to fold it. And during this video I just discovered from this surgical mask I have 2 different masks, and one has the plates upside and the second one has the downside. So maybe it's a personal choice, or I think upside is more better, so you can make it upside.
What did you do?
Yes, I'm making a pattern. Here how you have to fold it, like this, and when we will stitch it, it will come perfectly. So this is very easy pattern. You can make this in just 5 minutes. In just 5 minutes you can complete it. And you have to fold all the plates, and after that you can stitch it, and you can use any fabric. See here, I also mark on the paper. You can make this on the paper also. So and see, there is a nose pin in this surgical mask. So I like this nose pin very much, so I am thinking to make a next mask with this pin. If you like this tutorial, in next tutorial I will show you how you can insert a nose pin in the mask, and you can sew it without any nose, without any elastic. So if you really want to see that tutorial, just subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.